Step into a home where Spanish Revival charm meets bold, modern flair, lush colors, rich textures, and sleek updates transform tradition into something truly unforgettable. Clarke Design's this home project beautifully blends the classic Spanish Revival aesthetic with a fresh, updated feel, incorporating modern lines and colors. Instead of undergoing major structural changes, the focus was primarily on cosmetic enhancements to existing millwork and cabinetry, seamlessly transitioning the home into its new look. Is infused by traditional Santa Barbara style that often characterized by white walls and hefty woodwork, received a vibrant reinterpretation. The Foyer immediately announces this bold approach with its double-height walls adorned in a dappled green wallpaper, setting a dynamic tone from the outset. Within the great room, the original twin monolithic Cantera stone fireplaces were replaced with more streamlined versions, lime-washed in a warm green tone, contributing to a more modern ambience. Adjacent to this, the bar area transforms into a decadent jewel box space for entertaining. It features slabs of graphic veined marble and rich Bordeaux red zellage tile, creating a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Furnishing of the residence is a harmonious blend of modern lines and traditionally warmer colors, effectively capturing both a contemporary sensibility and a cozy, inviting feel. throughout the home, from the ash gray of dining chairs to the deep walnut cabinets framing the fireplace in the great room. Tactile richness is introduced through materials like chenille, velvet, leather, and boucle, in appealing shades of green and blue. Natural, tactile materials further enhance the sunlit warmth of the interior. Rich caramel tones are evident in the wire-brushed oak floors, sericed riffs-on-oak cabinetry, and knotted timber beams on the ceilings, adding depth and organic beauty to the spaces. Additionally, a dedicated wine tasting room, inspired by Napa Valley influences, enlivens cocktail hours with its wall-to-wall refrigerated cabinetry, showcasing an expansive bottle collection. A colorful guest apartment, connected to the main house by a breezeway, provides stylish and welcoming accommodation for visitors after late-night festivities, completing the home's thoughtful design.